So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hi everyone, it's me, Aman Verma. I belong to Akbarpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have done BTech in mechanical branch from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical Institute in 2021. eVision based online training program. I had enrolled on 22 October for online job internship program. I am happy my decision because eVision based online training program. In eVision, each and every trainer are professional in their field. eVision mentor have training method is very good for understand. I got plus in HCL technology with a 22.8 LPA. I recommended for everyone who is looking for networking with job guarantee program. Thank you, eVision and their team.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.